Nkisi TV amandegere y'umuguzi umoroberio ukubwatia tubwati getango gyekegori asego nabo kurigererwa n'ibigori byonse.
Soro mwanchumo ligererio Kisi TV karibu sana asomorobere bochiro tene chintingana buna botambo koletwa kera litukurya Jumaine abwase kuwakira ngambi ya munaso kunyara koba omwanchumo ligererio Kisi TV na ine kunyara ko yanchumo robere bochiro tene chintingana koruto chaka John Komboka na lile Italiane na litukurya hero muna moroche enchirange sogete ni gombegete sati ya Nyamira North Women Sako kintabera maritati nyako igwe sako yega ngambo bwata mayamba bwata mansu erote banko genda bakachinseme chenya Nyamira North ntare sabari yane eriyo nyare komera na nentingane yege chagiti kyobekiga tunyare komanye sabari yae wekira boni gatire goto roseri Nyamira Sako eyuere Nyamira North Sako sofa ngakenyare komakonya ngakia konyira bangi nato chikoli chintangana chinde kurwe binyora lakini asrero karibu sana tunyare gusanga soba masomoro birega tinko bakomokera mu director ne director mchonga Kenya ngambi ya muno aso kunyara kone kunomoro birega onyare gochiro muri gereria kira Jumaine asante sana nchu tunyare gutware stare yiga mpaka se chinseme chike na lero nda sobisi nimbwate biya gaiga nindoche echigani chinsaga moteba chikoro ku spider plant asege songo nindo chege yege kuru ku jute melon jute malo terere sawa sawa ntubwate poda ntubwate na seeds jinchi kunyara kumanyeto bauti nerege kera director na raga komena seeds timetiko se poda komenwere gose nkoriye gwere gose ngochinde kwere somoga nase twaru ne kiaria na ntobwate na amaranthus yene mboga moko yari atalitambega anyway karibu sana mwancho muligererio Kisi TV wikega nyari gusanga na madam karibu sana
ndio
sasa
mzuri
okay nice karibu sana
ndio mwana
monko anili mugusima tebi na kyokorokwa tutanyara guskasobwa
abagusiba minto nabakwanire mbiyomore esemukare asamarie tangoroku enid kwamboka charana inchede director Nyamira North Women Sako
na kiweko geranga nchirete yeta kwamboka erine eriane na inde bazitokoro kwamboka ntwe bangete yes now nindo chegega baka obonoboba ebi byose bigotoka Nyamira North Women Sako abangi nabo kabagotoka sesake
abangi na mgoto kabare abagakabare 1%.
Okay. 99%
na bangina.
So ile gender equality ukode 1% wacha tuwape. I know mungaini. Tokra te munga 24 hours to fear men and the next 24 hours to fear men more. So umeamua kutumia 23. Now, Enid ningo tutaracha wikabon tuchukoligere linga Nyamira North Women Sako nga yechire toga cha kwa yerosiga iga what inspired you to bring this? Who's this Enid Kwamboka?
Enid Kwamboka inche nomongina nende inche nomoswati ani sogete bwatabana batatu
gentlemen
aiga no tumogirango nonka nende wodianere itibo ward no nkaseito boiboire nende eka happen nende ngasoka no tumogirango ese wodie kerenyo
inumbali moko mani gwa paki gwa mokorocha gwa
nagenda
ayore uko ibo mogina ga uri mokangore mimi ko jikoni kwetu ani explain
Bueno no tumogirango ndeka ange kabere
boiborwa
nende sogete nende no menyete ga no tumogirango neri na kina Nyamira town but egasi nari nachete gokoraga iga bono eni nachete a university ngakora course ya finance
tutaraikaga gutito turachaka inkagari oyo karenga uiboire ngaigwa chakirete skuru ugasoma gocha nkikwanyorete ngwete 844 system goseniri 7423 gocha CBC bebe abana ba CBC rero abari tukubaruka abana ba Indomie mwana mucheche tutomaitinga class 6 yaro kagano mwana form 4 yes bono nkagari mbarenga murekere muiboire gari
nkainche neyo kabere turabana batano alafu tura abaswati batatu alafu nabamura babiri bona asomete Nyamira isike tunata nona kinete ngasoma St Matthew's Academy kuru class AM hadi 8 nenda chita ukara class 8
inabantu 844
system nende nagweta matem sana niche narengo mwerio ese class 8 kereto akorete KCP
kwa dengi
wa mwerio the last position niche nasiegetia
Kenya mzima ama class
in our class area isaranste St Matthew's Academy nga KU niche na renge wa mwerio
na rengo marks
na bwate 202 marks
wa kwanza alikuwa na ngapi
wa kwanza abwate ange 390 something
na uko na 202
na nje na bwate 202
lakini yenyewe nyika plateau ilikuwa inatusaidia yes
alafu bono ekaba kongu tatana tete ngirorere skuru agateba umwana takunyara kwende secondary adomete boneka happen ba mintu barenge bachite chi boarding nchete na renge boarding na renge day school bono barengo perform ya kombo bona gaikasi getakateba mbote kwirora but eka happen ende interview nero ya renge skuru ekorukuro rate angen gochikericho tukaigunga ngachikoria riga mama gante interview nero tetogenda okore kogo etagwa chire secondary utarete tishauri yako ngwera nore bado kado class 8 ni repeat bono ngagenda ngakora interview aronga soma sana tina teto gocha kuirorera kuzina sisi ngenda kingo chakera bono ngagenda ngakora interview eyo ngaeta
that was the year
that was the year 2006 that was the year 2006
bado 844 system ilikuwa serious
by then ilikuwa serious
yes
so ndio niliingia ya ringe 2006 cause na 2006 na rina chete cause if I graduated 2010 I graduated I was class 2010 so that is 4 years later igo ya ringe na korete 206 206 ya ringe ya form 4 one of 4 years later igo ile 202
206 year form 4
yeah form 4
so your class 8 that was 202
yes bono 202 nari bono nakora nari joineti bono Sacred Heart Loret Girls
ugaita interview
but
bono ngobori na kotegerere no gukwana gocha nganche na siegeti akithingoteba siboke yakithingoteba ngara siegeti did it not affect you
affected it. The reason why ngonye kwa na bona gesengeche I've recovered from it and nege totokorigereri back na ngocha na tebe sengecho baro bagocha bagwa matemu nende they end up excelling in life bairana nende baichaya mbari gosuka mbari gokora kende onekere ngocha na kwa na igo nirikote bya bande na asande omuntu nabo kugwa matemu nende bado nabo ogosuka gochimoto kenege keranyare go gutanga
wow wacho murigererio KCTV nga omunyaruko siegeti omwako 2002 St Matthew's Nerbuniga obwate Nyamira North Women Circle. Wakolire interview. Kwarangeri Buroret. How was the experience? Kono wikire gari orero jumbai tabu mmoja hivi. Malls zitalitambua.
Ege ngia konya tena chitengarora twarengeda ba minto bagwete equalia matemu bunanche ngatwaro moyo bono ngakumetari nchevieka bono ngachaka twaro moyo nenda bari bana gototevi naki onye gwachire ga nabo gosoma nabo gweta matemu bono tugachaka gotema yake of course first year na yani form 1 nabo yarenga akomu gochakera form 2 ngachaka go improve ake kuika form 4 ngachanga yeta nganyore B+ ngarangeru mu university.
Why amazing.
Yes.
Akukwanga pressure iri ya bari baitete babwate 400 marks wako form 1 blue bari ba performance poor wako form 1 Z aikuwa
school yeyo egenteke ya renge kia wate extreme emo nende abata abana bake sana bono competition ko admitted school ya renge igo ya renge nende ya abantu abange bari kwendo bono kwa kunyora form 1 ere stream am form 2 am form 3 am form 3 am nende arenge chi sister alafu na chi sister barenge very strict in terms of discipline ebintu binebwese school nabyo byankonye tenche
now wasomere gari maybe by the time wakora form 4 kwa what ambition ngento getente guchikokora
by the time ngore form 4 na maite kende but bono tata arenge konte miteta ngore biasara because my dad arenge umunya biasara bona arenge konya konte bikira engaki abana bane umete umuntu okeroro mochia ikabateke umuntu oyoma abwekane tato mwabo bona barenga konte bona naye ikokoreki obe okore business okore biasara na tata
first bonere nke abate class 8
first bonere abate A-. Class 8 high school ere anyorete ange 380 something akarangiru Kenya high.
Alafu kwa nyore tu haiko kumaliza like hata kwa nyumba tuliko tumwe kombe poe ngonya sana ngipata kama tumeze ngera kwa 300
natikana te watianti inkwandra cause nene ndabera abo mugano mutambe because my self esteem ya chete insetina maitenga na ichaete sana but bona kere na chete school nganyora bande bako perform bona nego kora tabaya ntete nkoreke nari ndongoro kimama na tata na I'm not the person they think I am.
Yeah.
Ncheno monto mongao.
The second boss was half black sheep of the family.
Exactly. Ona teto go prove a point to them. Na ya monchaya monte binte bimo kora umete na ringo monetu. Na ringo monetu sana. Eke na ringe primary. Bono barenge wikabate ona ki umutuo oromotiro toigwetikende. Bona yari nekina kiarenge bono bongo bwane. Kende yonsi no nyabande ekere bago soma ayota maitikende na gosibye binto na gosibye nyomba na gotomo gokore binto.
And you know unaiboniga oende chinse chiri chiama iko they believe that abantu bari bwateme bere menene bari metino bari kwibara bachinga. Now I get that concept. Now kumbuka osomire form 4 gari kwe tomire kabisa onyore B+. Sasa nakuja nyumbani naambia first born utadu. Points ngapi? Ile ngechu kwantigera. Omwako ndakagotebiki.
Magako kagateba bona itindi gochikoganyora ngeriwe university. Bona yo university direct. Omete review kere kwa renko rangeri ukoganye a period of time gocha kogenda regular student igo September October. Bona mwebira kora ne nyarete agateba bona itotise tioganye you'll be wasted kero rekagaiga. Bona etigagende ese bokonyora transfer ogende the other. Bona immediately tincheti kwa beraka follow. Na nagote tata
aba mwarenge gosoka February 28 full stop.
Bona twarengo go apply university the first admission no twarengo kembese nguchi because tata itembere kabona bona the first admission yagacha yo mo university nende course bono banchorreta baiburi ngende kore business management esengencho bono tata atete nkore biasa.
Of course that is girl amemfanyisha vizuri amepata ka B+ pale business management it is.
So business management it is Moi University main campus Tokagenda Eldoret for the next 4 years bona kerera na ika second year ngarealize na eko sina chete gokora tariera na tagete bona na tagete ngarealize that I'm having a lot of mete bokonyora chi club in Chirochi University everything bona nganyorande so much into amangana community work boko yuna abana bachire they are cleaning a certain kind of institution was ebintu bya cleaning day bona nganyoranda so much passionate everything bona business ekero ko yuna chikaria tokinchiro na ringe ko irusho na feel na I don't belong then baadaye ngarealize I'm doing a lot kuna charity abantu ngwenda bare chi orphanage gokora nini inje nontanga ine ende kosi ya neteria bona ngo bwati bari bagokora community development bona finally akerina igete around third year ngarealize na I need to do community development bona business ya rengo I was there esingincha masomo but yega sana rengo no I need to work with the community
ogakora kibono
so I was only doing volunteering work no nyekerina renge go cha long holiday na rego cha narigereri any program to gachake youth group Nyamira tokairoka elite youth group twaliko kora mangana drama ko act HIV ko act malaria because my passion went directly to the community. Bono I used to do that during the holiday ekeretorisko bone kembeki yeto ntwa kore interview through na support ya Afya Plus to kwenda para to act malaria HIV Ivo.
So everybody eri pamanyire bina byo
mama ta maete mama metachi to gote burinde na ruru mwana opara ka gokora drama na bintu birago akakumya gate nari chito bono kombori na kina igwete mo kore interview drama what is that are you doing ngachiko mwera sacha agante interview open to tigi but when I never stopped so until bono I graduated bono after from Moi University I graduated in the year 2010 so that
with a degree in business management
finance and banking option
hapo nafaa nikukongratulate because wengine university toka kichikosinga toka chia waibori and it was a hard time but kwa hiyo enchira gwachire gocha sabari yao I was expecting wekire tadia kweranire wachake first year community development
I had to make sure that I finish nka arotina rengo chagotacha ongo nene barengo acha wakanere school fees in a different course
my friend Nyamira County North Mogirango constituency Tivo ward ngwarenge gotacha
arotina rengo gotacha I wanted to make my parents proud because even to be riba ankorete tina tete nenchenti gerenchera nende ngende back to obogima bodi na bato bodi obokongu bona ekerena nyore degree at least na ndo ngote mama ya gose ko nkwanera to mati gose ngwate degree
wow that is nice kwa graduate regarding with this 844 system 2010 that was era ya Mwai Kibaki Emilio watu ba finance I think money handling maybe you could do it better but now ntobate crisis nga kwa university nga yugochi
egasi
now wachile score gaiga wako degree yao kwa nyolileke okanyora kiasi degree university
I got the upper class honors degree got upper class honors degree in finance and banking option na gote alafu nekere na chaisco gabu togachaka kurige gasi of course a lot of pressure bona tata cheta gasira before I graduated from university just some few months ntara graduate bona tata gasira bona kere tata sirete bona ikava kong ese familia and then my elder sister bona to buwe na yange myake vere but bona wate arenge yange kirasi yake muchi mutu yane ona era konyoro graduate before 1 year na era taranyora gasi ona igabidi bona mtachaka kwenda au korigichi gasi bona na arenge korigichi internship bona ngakora internship na National Bank of Kenya na ona korete internship echo na korete na some other chisako nchiron isako nero na korete ya Nyamira T sako na korete internship ororo ekere na korete school but bona nango kora 3 months kwa iranaka 3 months ndio mete internship turi waka alafu bona ikasegete agasi akiria ne antebeti nteto korega sine community so ngachanga apply gasi bona na Women Enterprise Fund in the year 2013 bona nga serve as Women Enterprise Fund se constituency ya North Mogirango
wow
yes bona na inje na renge in charge ya Women Enterprise Fund bona in the process ekero mete chibese che serikali kwa bangina kwa the women chibesa chi loan bairani and then now ekambera viesing echibona nene go work in the community
yes
bona ngake sau nini ndio someto bate degree ya finance nene nonde iganga ngokore community wa bona na kingo sukarende go chimoto
yes
bona in the process ngaigu na chisako nchiro nene ngachikota bata bakorigere nganyora sako chabangina nchiyo nene nganyora nene ngwate experience for Women Enterprise Funds yakwenda na chivesa cha serikali akwenda na nevyombe na kuira nene na create networks ground bona nane ngake sabu ngatabarende this is the best opportunity mbwata yoko blend what I learned in my degree and the passion mbwata se community bona Nyamira North bone kama nyagocha Nyamira North mensa
wow that is in the year
2014 na register nganyore certificate ya Nyamira North mensa ko in the year 2014
ngokwete idea yo kuigore sako naende ebinta maganyo baganeti ko bwati apako cho kuigore sako
twachete seminar seminar nero twachete Nyamira barenge go sensitize abanyakenyoro serikali ya bwate such kind of program barangereti abantu barenge ko himiza abantu baigore chisako na baranyara ko jora chibes bono na ateneti seminar yuri mona rina chite ko igukumberete sako ndiro nende process yesaka kumbe na bere iga ntengarika chi notes chane isega iwe department ye cooperative nero I went now personally paka obisi rikonda kubwati bono after that meeting ngendo obisi aringa batevi nyiwete mwakwane tegore chisako bono nyiwete nde interested procedure nere inkikega nere bakangeresa buya bono ngacha saba ngina bane ngarige byombe bitatu byoka tukaba isaransi kabatevi na chibese che serikali njisa ino alafu bono naende ndori konya tibenki abangina ndori konyora besa ikito tacheramo twachake into isako yeito twende to register to iwe certificate twakobeka chibesa chito ngora twakabesa twabeka ngora twakabesa. So we started with 33 founding members. Wantu wachagete na bantu 33 ese yaringe yangivyo beta taribonsi bancherende to irete bake ikiombeka banke bagacha tokenda tukaregister and then ngetungo chaka go county the county government abantu bari batutenerete by then Mr. Mwanza na nkonyete sana to the registration ya Nyamira North Women Sacco in the year 2014. Bono go chakera gutoga chaka gokina rende ko imiza bono go spread a message to other people to wate bono twachakire sako ya Nyamira North Women Sacco tiato chake bono kubeka evesa nini bono toga chaka ko recruit more members one by one but one changamoto ya vete igete around 2015 au 2016 mama atagetenyo ndigichibesa ngireka and kumbuke sako ya chakire teko nyara go employ pesa nchio mushahara toyo no what do you do so ngaba torn between mama wande na kibona yo kare ko beterere sake ingi kopareta nyumba rende tokori nenda goteba no some
eri bado nko koira na
toraso le bado tinaso kankanka bona kambere gasi akomu bona ikabidi nende chake kori gichigasi chinde go chisiko at least enge chibesa kingo nyakuganye sake yakore ekine era nyare konge ritwe go chakonge gasi ntige bono ngachanga kora ne gasi gete ku Center for Community Partnership ere yarenge NGO na gotebeti nchega siane yarenge community ngatene livelihood program na rengo kora Nyamira na Homa Bay County bono nambate project entangani na korete nyanguge nona korete na bangina bane nyanguge barenga bangina engemia tukakora chivali chain sangenya yarenge maboba no ya na introduce mushroom for the first time as a project here abunyanguge bono tukakorete na poultry tukakora na cereals tukakora na bananas value chain abo nenda ne project hiyo na rengo kora na Homa Bay bono but bona igaika tukakora for 1 year a contract ekaera but by the end of the day go multitask bado na Nyamira North because no bado ngo chaga igateraki na bado no toga saine bono twabate abantu twachorete na barai kingo mnyaka go chiari abarai no barega iga bande batware kubwaterana na barabo ala kumete bantu tware go isaranza rimo motenyi korigere richilon korige isi savings na kia abantu babikirisa was multitasking both kazi ona ge kasi geto one gasi yo ekaera ngage chuku sana ngariere mfanga tungojo gwetana na igakunya kurigi chigasi nende na come back to zero kataba say ikere let me take my whole focus wono asesako imanye onye no mwako mugima go sacrifice timbo ati moshara but I know I have a future go ende rekine so that is the time wono ngatika kireke
among no did you explain it to her because wono na rogo sugumire to koreta kende ka wachira
na mama arento agosanete na mama nonye kere na ikabini nganye ko Runyamira bono gacha komenya bono notumugiramo Bona mama kagechu because bona mtu arenge ko reason nere kabisa bona kate akaanga
abana bamina abako gwati bado no bali school eri gose bakolire
no barenge bado bo space school bona mama arenge go strain bona nenchengara ko motivisa ko nero ni bwate vision nere monyene taranyora gas
ulio monene
nero monyene taranyora gas bona kabega sienko bona kate ba the best winda nyare go push my passion no kurukuruka bona kiki na ngatama kuruka okay nengote bana tamete but mama na maite na rueto but ntina rueto in good terms doing in good terms
warura ali my mincha
na irura my mincha bona chitoko
me yo mete no yake na kwete class 8 tikwa nganjete yes
bona ngachabone kere na chano tumugirango bona na chitoko soka bona officially
umepata boyfriend hapo na mkao
nilikuwa na boyfriend we were dating but wono a pressure hii mama ngete ega force wono ngende into marriage
kwenda kusoka
yes wono nari ngachanga mkamenya kerenyo married now and now also doing what I wanted to do because but the focus ya
nene ngorupo wacha Nyamira Women Sacco
ngorupo one nacha isako nacha koregas bona atile ka omwaka bona igo yari
your husband na wategasi
my husband era ta wategasi at that time na no muntu ringe wa IT aringo muntu wa IT nje narenga korige muntu ranya go support my dream
okay
umuntu maite na egente kyo gukora it is valid
sure
tena teto muntu go discourage in life so bono togasubu maigo paka igaika omwaka nende partnero nebire eteregete omwaka 2017 naboreti chikura ese word ya ni Itibo word
tell me about
yes naboreti chikura ese word ya Itibo word alafu no to arenge na umwisike Josh Nyamuko no to akorete campaign ne alafu wono igaika ekere chikura chikaera chekere chikura cha rete expected be nominated because wono na tigete kwenda after the nomination ye party ya Jubilee by then bono ngarutu isko ese nomination party 2017 bono Josh our current MP agantebi mo support alafu at least tabonda nyare konyora maybe either nomination go save into vinde gochi motu
better na wakere nani kura bole
omete bada ba ino mwano ebodo ikabona tagotiga bona arenge agotacha but she gave a lot of support during that time bona rocho be mwana no ikire uchire go chisco gaje nende na rebie kore bona she needs family na teta bantu go chiskari eno mete na chite mpaka kabono bonyakoniti bo ward garangeria abagaka barengo gabate vinche ne leader nende nimbate vision tete mumbu atoko boko neno mete na kwanete mama tayo mama chete kwa report bono baadaye
no wemsi yako ni
ai no wemsi yako bona taga
ana kesi
option ekabora mama option ekabora gatobora timbati option mwana yo sinyire na nende korukara bona tiga mumbu atoko boko alafu bona neki bona after that ekere nomination teche digo succeed ngakorega si office ya CDF nyamoko na ambegete office ya CDF for around a period of 1 year but kumbuka hivi interview spingo kora but I'm still multitasking because if feature never there ngesisa neribone sako tiare nkonga chibesa chisa ine chinanyare komenya
abantu bono ngakyo kuba sustain abaga barase sako because you started 33 people ngakyo kuba sustain gose ba achire ba gutigira kasako kawaya ngangana
haya aba manyaba nabane tu abwate na mpaka bande no very to date I have like bona igabare batatu bona na inche founding members already were 4 na yunyarite tu atagete board members yabantu 9 bona oroche yenye 4 tore mpaka bona iga exist up to this point ya mona asira bona tore tu arenge 5 so meaning it's still a strong team to atagete kurikare
na onga ye kirete bona igacha go pike kaba Nyamira North Women sako yega bantu bamanyete bwate bakebinte bionse maritati ndoche bakandoche ege kombenkere maiga
Egeto mwaka wa 2019 mwono siasa chibesa chikaera shu timbwati besa ekambera nende gasia nkong bado gairana sesa ke anangare konyerigereri inkito wakora next ngarealize bona bangina bare ko beka savings chibesa chinke bakobeka 200 babeke boro gochko in the process abangina bagateba ngarealize abangina babu atibesa mna bagaka babu
yes
mogaka na bara oni ngombe omogaka na bara oni ngombe omogaka na babwate pigipigi na bwate biashara chiduka banga basacha na bwate batu bangina bwate gatebate ending sara sendike proposal torogo sendo nyare ko twara chi project sija nyare ko konya bangina banyore chibesa na riba increase savings no nyichi loan bwate mbanyare ko default so in 2019 then covid bono mete yachi bono covid egacha chi loans chiso ga default ange tunes ekatokote una quarantine kro monto beraka inche esabungwa ka chi loan yabangina bwate na kichiko chiwakani abantu bari baresoti kiga gwabangina tubwate mbari konyara kwenda chiro chigasekwa completely so tokagenda a very total loss nende tinatagete chibesa cyabangina bari babegide na savings chisire bono ngaisaranza akeretore covid quarantine intende busy kurika chi proposal nde busy kurika chi proposal until I got one successful proposal from International Solidarity Foundation where tore partners up to date so tugachaka bono ne project ya mushroom esenge bono na bwate experience ku organization iri na korete before bono ekere tugakore kwerende ya a mushroom ga introduce because bono twachagete half year ekagenda up to the end of the year
nereye
oyster bono ndo bwate cha ina ibere ya mushroom ndo bwate oyster mushroom ndo bwate button mushroom bono oyster mushroom nere bono ire dehydrated nene bono ndo bwate fresh bono yetu achoreta basai ange byombe bitatu to bwate esebago kore project ya mushroom amaboba
bono obono
bobuka mukiri
nkwenda ngine ketunkarangendi
nedebo kwanza sana bore kawaye bore bia sana
no bona bwateba
yune rebo nere mbegu ne mbegu bono togotumia gocha gusimeka kare to arenge kogora chimbegu echu nenye bono ekoru Jomo Kenyatta University lakini bona gatwacha kere gochirosiga igabuna Nyamira North Women sako embegu yeito
now mwachake ile mushrooms penye kerete bona bakatubwate managu waumiriga ndoche chinsaga nchira byankwanire birimanyete nemboga bwateri taritambe
bona tugachaka na mushroom unfortunately abangina baito bagateba maboba agete kimba bakora
batanga dukoze byumbu birada babetegereza nyere kimbu kiyoboba
abande bagateba obenti ne chiturungi chiri amaboba naro tunekosachete turungi bagateba gose ebinte nakiora ria maboba utasimekiriko ruwe byumbu biri yare go rusibukare abo mwato ngaine bona ikanyora a lot of obstacle asabanyina bono ngataka gwake hesabu naki inki abangina baranyare ko no ko impress mono ngaka hesabu abangina babwate biticha ebiticha basi mbite chingeni but ebiticha chibe sire ngawo chabanyora se chingeni sometimes even none bono ngataba bono the best way tiatorigi keriba gokora bono baraguka banyene to get boost bono korwa bono ko batebirende chingeni ngabate bono tiatokora mangana e chingeni nende through nende ikababia account government ya Nyamira through the NARIG project ya korete ya chete community ko sensitize bantu igora mangana indigenous local vegetables bono tokaba bono so much interest ko tiato face project because in project ino abangina bono bara fit perfectly best bono nende ika in the year 2020 tokachoruna Nyamira North Sacco as a producer organization for indigenous local vegetables in Nyamira County. So courtesy of the NARIG project. So when we were selected there, that's the time we wanted to implement indigenous. Kono to wakora chinsaga, rinagu, egesare, emboga na terere. Terere umetebona teri common iga ere common ansengao but what a high demand is. Most of the time to wakora chinsaga na chire mono. Abantu bachete chinsaga chagusi mono kuba ko chinse mochina. Bono production ye chinsaga irigoro. Kuba chichinde.
Bono ake to kwa na production ye chinsaga muko batomera achirichi arure mugondo. Mwamanya komi echinde mwarosi chimbego ndo chichiga nicho gosimeka
chibono choko nyore chine tetere chogo simeka che chinsaga bono konyora alafu ni chine tetere chogo simeka che emboga
ngaki uko tofautisha because chonsi chibweka ini kusi director ni kero chinde mbweka ini
mbweka ini esenge bono into chimaete chichire chinyerere mono kobwa echichinde dende bado irina bako nyore chigira bete
so no ngori kwa mwamire tingene ndupe kinganyete chingeni nyore ingare kwa gerobori
bona bare mbweito to ba traineti korosia embegu bamaito na kiwa korosia embegu erengia bono barabu bakorosi ko cut that kind of course ko ba chibesa chiembegu gose kwenda kugora bakweroseri embegu ere quality and then baenda basimeka alafu bareta products echu batoreta ndo batetundu bari ito esa ucha wapima chingeni echise kiro alafu baganye chibeso bwere motenyi na baocha banyora se chai
of course musuko ndo chitotari na enda iwere bwangu ganto chitotari kucha se factory egere nyari kurigere the whole process na binde gabwina byachire but so far ISF yachire yabasire so far how's the journey and how nakimogendrete go cop up
bia bata abangina beto nabako Tiancha ke goteba igo abangina beto nabako because umete abangina beto korokana barana ravesa abaga kana bana revesa bono twabere toko bayimiza abere almost 4 years kurigise twachagete gukora mangana yechingini alafu bono twabere toko bayimiza but bado batararu sebiticha byabo bado monta kwa merrete geticha nende geticha ikinge go kwa chivesa bono to of course na matcha za bande bagotabe megondo teyo batyo konyore megondo ndabande batigete idol umuntu atigete umugondo tari kore matari gokora kene nende tari chibesa abwate bono ile okonyorere challenge yenene esabagina baito alafu nende abande baro togocha twabafundisha amafundisho gete mbari go adopt such kind of technology togocha kwa batebe tachinsaga ikorete umuchanga obeke igoro obeke bitande ebyo nari chinsaga kiranyare ko babuya rigimanywe ngia nechera nero twabaroki bakorosi manywa ababe but bado abande mbaro they still bado very slow bare ngora ku adopt ebintebi bono konyora bono chinsage chichabo chire chinke chire jiraba surangia but majority of them bari to akorre na barabo bobase kurige chinsaga no bogo tofautisha chinsaga cha Nyamira no nene chinsaga chitari cha Nyamira no ko tofauti nene
now obwa amategwa ona abanyakenyoro gusaba menye be county ya Nyamira nababwatani ase county ya Nyamira ngakibwa beira nemo nabantu ba Nyamira North
bwatani wetu babairo bonene gente getanga ngote bimbia mono ese county government ese ministry of agriculture na bagerere twaikirese rituria rero they are very bago to support various ways batoire ebinto biro batogorere se county twabere to partner na various organization including World Food of Agricultural Organization twabere to partner na Kenya Industrial Research Institute Agricultural Technical Training Center. We have partnered with Egerton University. We have partnered with Kenya Climate Innovation Center. Those are so many organizations that bagerere Nyamira North ikirebo na igandwa rengo kora intutweka check station officers cha Nyamira North Women County chakorega sienene na barenge gotara bagende binyoro ba make sure nabangina baito bamanyiro bumanyo bwechingeni warigere ribaroro na barabu batwarire embusorere ngia ono through the support of the extension officers from Nyamira North Sub County na baro bakorega siengia ese egasito
no bwa mate kwa uno mominonde mwiranire gukwana gusana bakariti bagendete no buzima bwaye
mama bona she is very proud
An African mom. Yeah.
I think igete ange almost I think tiantebe ekere bono na chakete ko kara bono the new project ekere na twanyorete bono support ekere twanyorete bono support na bono na beta as a full employee ya Nyamira North bono moshara ngochori bono ekere na beta full employee. I'm getting salary at the end of the month like anyone else. Abono na ribono mama chagete ko realize okay
kumbe naka shopping
nara motu unara moirera paka ikase geto mogako na kanyorega asiengia chombe toga kana toga kora everything bibyo bono mama kara bono kwa bene bono kwa bero mo
bono nara ali bara Nyamira ali ekerenya Nyamira North
bono kama mama bontera kirasi asa korara sakoboka ameteni dinaro
abana bamino bonsimbia bari
abantu bonse bonigambia bari bonoiga
family life Mungu family life mbiere
family life mbiere mogako nene robere go support na nomete na yete na tageto muntu ranya go support my dream nanyichi propose chingorika na ringe kutwaringe nere kozinginyorete na nyakera twaringo kora interview kere International Solidarity Foundation ya chete na bwate na rute maternity nende bote interview obviously and I need to defend the proposal. Bono tina bwate option mogako nene ari achete bono agacha ime akambwata bona to bwate umwana korira gari yake ngwerere kindega kingo defend that kind of a proposal. It was very tough but bono nero obere go kombwati okoboko up to this point.
Wow, that is beautiful. Musaye naro korigerere tigari okunyakoboria maswali nga gose oganetio gose mikuru asore egati yari kwanyarire gwesomya sesabari yawo ninkyo ramotebe. First, tell us what you've learned throughout this journey.
First thing I've learned, never give up. Never ever give up. Your passion, it is number one thing. Okonyora bantu abande bache ba enyora bago kore bintu gete etari their passion. By the end of the day to go nyara go deliver your best compared to ekere your passion. Ekere your passion no strain no to korra go single strain yori. So follow your passion. That is number one. I've come to realize. Number two, never ever give up. And then number three, you need people. You can never succeed alone. Bona to konyara okore vintavieka. Bona se wota chakirege ntoko kora make sure watukirira bantu bonspio konyora kogo suka gochimoto. Ndio ranyare go succeed. Okonyora bantu mbaro bakogenda wana ribu mali any support ama go sabantu bako come across. Ikatomanya na ese tomenyete dotageta abantu.
Ndoto yao yako kama mwanasiasa bado nero?
Unfortunately ndoto yana yakwete because
ulinyang'anywa ticket. Okay, minjala ni wewe ticket.
Yeah, to kobori siasa na kagete I'll change an impact to the community through politics.
Yeah.
But when I segete na realize we have so many avenues or so many ways where we can create an impact to the community, not through politics. And when according to me it is working very well because when I'm changing people's life. Kirina tageta kokora ekere barenga kucha gonchora un MCA tibo ward. Because nakina tageta kokora my main agenda was women economic empowerment. That was the first thing I wanted to do. I wanted to fight the issues of gender based violence. Sasa bantu ba wanadhulumiwa wanawake wanachapwa. Bona iganya Nyamira North we are still mainstreaming the issues of gender based violence. So me I'm living my dream. That's what I wanted to do in politics. So what is the point? Because there's nothing going to difference if I go to politics. And yet I can do them at this point. If I go to politics, I'll be killing this dream and I'm not willing to kill this dream at this moment.
Wow. Yes. Montanaro Nyamira korigerere tigari oganiti komanya mangi igoro ya Nyamira North Women Circle ngiranyare komotebi no boseme gotia sabasaya sogokolera.
Abantu bari Nyamira North Women Circle yene sako ya bangina igotetea haki ya bangina no togotoka no tumogirango ekerenyo no bisicheito chire ngo batebya bangina bonse pi baratake ko korobore bwechingeni baratake konyora chibesa ese chenchira chindonge batarobisieito boche mo register ko register ne shiringi 200 choka ne kwa gore getabu kemia ekia abwategago alafu abeka shares ya 1000. You become a full member alafu no koruagu you'll start participating in our program wanongo tebya bangina bonse piborega mo basakobwa no torega igenda bangina ninu tokorigi na kegorie kege kese bare intumoto tarere ndo bwate chi program au chikokonya no nyaba isika babake ba ese kwende sako yetu Nyamira North ona tuto bakaribishira ofisi yetu na chiko igor ko Monday mpaka Friday from 8 to 5 no togotoka na gotoko bakonya.
Okay. Bana banyaruka bigo samba iminyoka soka unyo monginoko. Tulikuwa mondo basemyo. Bigo samba kwa tafuta
ora nyoro monto ora nyare mete ekobwati
na jenzi onye bitika ngumu anaenda kwa barabara they blame
na tena kwa ndenyomo ndiye izi nyomo yenda bego kill my dream or passion because teko nyagosika ningetoka mbio sana ningetoka na ningira nese mama nenda chi concert.
But anyway, now walking sana kunyara gusanga naye. Wow, such a sweet story, and I know there is a long journey ahead. Yes. But I know already boni gara batoka tebanga ai eni dinaro ro, and I'm so proud with what she's doing. This is so nice. And kuna KCTV twagokire gusanga naye, and we hope to partner with you more in coming more events. In fact, right now I'm the ambassador of Nyamira North Women Circle. Membership number yangu sisema nitaandika mtaomba loan na namba yangu. But thank you so much. I'm happy to meet your team. We'll be sharing more. Asante sana uchaso mo director na so kunyara kwani kimono murobiriko nyare ko mochiro morigere nene tinkumwe bakomwakira ngambi yamono George Nyakundi nero nyara gotoreta bakasense yo gwetira mwanya gitingi Heritage Council tonyara gwikira nagiga so kunyara gusanga nainwe amurigere limbi yamono so kunyara kuyancho murobiryo gwechiro tinechintingana na kunyara ko yogwatekera Jumaine John Komboka na diretariane. Asante sana twarobotukobia nyasayo yo
ambia mono. Asante and thanks for coming. Ambia mono.